Hi, welcome to Gozzbe Laundry Management Software. This is the login page of Gozzbe software. Here you can see the list of users on the left side. Choose the user and log in with credentials. Then you will get a home page. Here you can see the features of the software on the left side and their corresponding icons on the right side. And below the page you can see in which branch the system is used and username and login time. Here you can open POS by clicking POS icon. Then you will see one message box. Here we need to enter the shift number and date. Date will show automatically today's date. If you want, you can edit that. Then click set to get a sales page. Here you can see many categories. You can set images for both categories and products based on your requirement. Here you can see a button that you can click to return to your category page. Here you can also select the products under corresponding category. Each category contains a list of products, and here we can see two types of services, normal and express. Based on your requirement, you can add more service types. Also, you can select the return type like by folding or hanging. Then press OK to see the price and item details on the left side kit. And you can repeat the process to add more products under different categories in the same way. We can also remove the item added by mistake on this by clicking this red cross icon. For receiving item, you can click this receive item button. It will show one form. Here you can see the return date. It's by default will come after 2 days. If you want to change the duration, you can edit it here. And also here we can see the collection types like customer directly come to shop or deliver the item. The advance payment option is also available. You can collect payment in advance by cash or card. Here is the print option. It is set at default as 3. You can change it as manually. Here by entering customer's mobile number and click button to see the customer details, like if the customer is existed already and the customer history. Then click save to complete the receive item page. And next, here we have an option job clearance. Enter the customer mobile number to see the operation side of laundry. It's mainly used to check the work completion status from laundry operation side. Here workers from the laundry operation side can update the status of the work, like indicating whether the work is completed or not, and also can update who did this work and after completing work in which rack the item is placed. So once the customer arrives, we can check the status using their corresponding mobile numbers. And the next section is item delivery. Here using customer mobile number, we can check the item is ready or not. Here you can see a status column where done indicates the work is completed. Additionally, you can see the name of the worker who performed the task. If it's ready, we can click get button to make the settlement. And here also we have an option to get the details of discount, commission, delivery charge and advance payment. Here 32 real is the total amount. Customer gave 100 reals. So you can select currency of 100 reals from this side. After that, you can see the amount that you want to give back to customer as balance. And here you can select the number of invoice printed you want. Then click Save to complete the transaction. Then go back to the home page by clicking this home icon. Next, we need to disable the active job clearance option and see how it's work without it. To do this, go to settings on the home page, then POS settings and untick active job clearance options. After that, open the same shift again, select the items from the product list. After selecting items, click Receive Item. Here we can partially use both card and cash option. Also, we can print the receipt from here. Then click Save to complete the process. You can notice that the job clearance section is disabled here because we turned off that option in the settings. So we can directly go to the item delivery. Here we can view and get customers details by entering customer's mobile number. Then go to settlement. Here we can see the customer's name and price details. Then go to home page for closing the business of the day. Then click the shift close option to see the complete sales of the day. Here you can see the sales by cash, card and credit. After that, click the button shift close to get the print and complete the work.